Alan's eating a cupcake.
An almond cupcake.
Not the one we killed.
Alan's eating an almond cupcake.
It'd be funnier if it was the one we burnt.
I know, right?
Alan took our good lighter.
Nope, someone's coming.
Let's hope it's Alan.
Nope. I don't think it is.
Oh, what do you know? Our pickle. Oh my god, give me the lighter! I will make it work. Give me the freaking lighter.
Now we're lighting an aloe leaf on fire.
And in Melissa's defense, it didn't help her sunburn at all.
At all. I still look like a lobster.
When that thing starts firing, jeez.
Poor chicken. First it was killed, and skinned, and now sparkly. Don't throw matches at it.
You forgot baked in a rotisserie oven.
Yeah, go to the oven.